Hey gang, are you ready for day 18? I'm ready for day 18. Day 18 is super cute. It makes me think of little kiddos and how much they'd love to see this. It would really, I don't know, get those Christmas vibes going for the little guys. So this is all these cute little reindeer, and if you happen to take a look at it closely, they're basically just little heart shapes. They're little heart shapes, and they've got some little ears and some little antlers on them, and of course little eyes and things, but they're just really cute, and definitely cute for the littler kids. So if you got grandkids coming over, or if you got little ones yourself, this might be a great garland to use. It's not necessarily something you would see in a highfalutin fancy restaurant or anything like that. This is definitely family fun kind of decor. Anyway, I hope you like these. This is another one by goldenlucycrafts.com, and I'm discovering that she's got some really cute stuff out there, so check her out. She might have some other great patterns that you might really like if you like this one. As always, you can check the link in the description box below, and that'll take you right to my Pinterest board, and you can check out all of these ideas yourself and click on the links to have the patterns. Okay, everybody, day 18 already done. Getting so close to the big day. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.